let's see if we can get there. Saying 17:38 at the moment.
No way. Oh, what's that, an hour and a half? So I'm in the vehicle with the main man. He who dares wins. And the bike is on board. And South Africa, here we come. So one has now become two. Brother Pablo is with us. We are at the airport. We are at Heathrow. He's just fixing himself, getting his glasses ready. Check him out. Check him out. That's right. That's right.
That's right. And nothing to say, but just that's right.
We've met Jordan. We've met Donna, Sister Donna. So the family, the tribe is building, and the journey begins.
We're waiting on Dippo.
Waiting on Dippo.
Yeah, he's gonna
Where is Dippo? Any second.
Where is Dippo?
Yeah, in search of Dippo. So look who I found. I find fresh from her triumph at the London Marathon. There she is, Iron Empress Donna. Hi Donna.
Start already.
So there was one, and then there became two, and now there's three, and Jordan, and we're just expanding. We're multiplying. We're just growing. Yeah, it's wonderful. The family, the tribe is growing.
You hear me? I have to put all my gels in.
Mr. Lay's arrived. Look at that. The love's in the house. Yeah,
the love's in the house. Check that.
The love. Bring it in. Bring it down.
Good. Very nice to meet you. Virgin, this is your...
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, it's great. You'll love it.
Just checking out the metal bird.
I am. It's a picture.
What's missing?
So we've landed, we're here, we're at Cape Town. And look at those smiling faces. Smiling faces. Oh yeah, wait, I haven't seen Donna. We've got the bags, we've got the bikes. Let's get the transport. So we made it through after a little bit of stress. That's something else, but it was good. We're through now. Long walk to freedom. On the ground, and we're loading up the bikes to make our way to the hotel. It's getting very exciting. I'm here with Nay, and we're fresh off the flight. Do you want to get your first reactions about being in South Africa?
Oh, I'm looking forward to the trip.
All right, all right.
Yeah. It's going to be pure vibes, pure enjoyment with the family. Yeah, no.
What about the hills? You looking forward to the hills?
No, but I changed up my bike to account for all that. So
Okay,
I'm
change
good.
the gearing, change the gearing.
Change the gearing, yeah.
Yeah.
So they might need to wait for me up top, but that's okay.
It's all good.
Yeah,
All done
I'll
then.
be there.
Yeah.
So depending.
Yes, if you've got no legs, look at your little shorty, you know what I mean? But no disrespect, no disrespect, no disrespect. No disrespect. No disrespect. Oh, you guys start already, man.
When he says Kenny dragged him in. Oh, okay. if you insist.
And the sign, the TV says, "Welcome, dear Mr. Adisa Stephen Izocha. A warm welcome to Southern Sun, Cullinan. We are dedicated to ensuring that you experience the mother city. Nothing short of exceptional." There you go. That's our welcome. No mention of Brother Pablo at all.
At all.
At all.
Incognito.
But there he is.
My name is Buffer. You can't be busting like see what man's got in his business.
His case.
You know what I mean?
But it's clean. The case is clean because we just got here, so there's no dirty briefing or nothing like that at this stage. You know what I mean?
Briefs
Exposing
are
them.
never dirty, even when they've been cleaned and used and never used again.
Brother, you can see the bed. This is my bed. I will do the bed test, but I'll do the bed test later. First dilemma. I can't undo my cable tie. No knife. And the nail clippers are useless. We're going to try to man them downstairs. So here the mechanics and the riders are preparing their bikes, ready for tomorrow's first.
Warriors, we're on it.
Seasoned BUBR African warrior of the road. How's things?
So far, it has been excellent. Yeah,
Yeah.
It's been a smooth journey getting here.
Yeah.
You know, we had a bit of a challenge on the plane. First time ever.
Yeah.
But it's nothing to do with us. But it's one of those
Yeah.
things. But that's not going to have an impact upon this ride.
Yeah.
And here we are, building the bikes and getting
Yeah.
ready for to do what we came to do.
Absolutely.
Okay. So hey, all we're now asking for is the weather gods to shine.
That's
on
right.
us.
It's a bit overcast at the moment, but we're hoping tomorrow we're bright.
Fantastic.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Yes.
Man arrived. I'm
You
good.
good?
I'm good.
Yeah,
I'm good.
cool.
So we've just finished a little snack after unpacking the bikes, getting them ready. Bikes feeling great. Looking forward to our first ride tomorrow. This is our hotel. Bang in the heart of Cape Town. Walter Sisulu. That's good. Walter Sisulu was a great Pan-Africanist, a great ANC fighter, just like Nelson Mandela. Thank you. Good evening. Hey, good seeing you. Good thanks. How you doing? Yeah. It's dinner time. We eat up, we carb up for tomorrow. First ride. It's not really carbs, lots of protein.
These different cities, all because we believe in the values of love, unity and empowerment. I thank each and every one of you for contributing to this experience. Those of you that have the pleasure of joining us in Ghana. Those of you that had the pleasure of joining us on those hills in Rwanda. You know, this is something that hopefully we're still celebrating in 10 years' time. And the most beautiful thing about it is each time we go on these trips, we don't just cycle, we make social impact change.
That's the one.
We raise money, we support people doing great work on.
My name is Bonga. I'm one of the founding managers or directors of the Cycling Community.
That's an visit.
Life through sport education. And we believe that when sport and education combined, that's how you can change the lives of the human beings or the youth from the communities of Kailija, in the township, in the rural areas where you closely have nothing to look at it and make your life, a possibility. So we've taken out to us in our shoulders the responsibility of giving back to the community with nothing at hand, but with an open heart.
So it's bedtime. I'm going to sleep. It's day one. Let's open up. Yes. It's dark, but we're ready. We start with some yoga. Well, we start with some food, yoga, and then a little ride. Meet our first NGO, our first charity we're supporting, and then we ride. P, how are we feeling?
Feeling great, refreshed, had a good night's sleep, all geared up and excited to go.
Yeah, that's all we have to do. The city at dawn. It's not even dawn yet, it's pitch black. So we're loading up. Bonga and the team are loading up. Morning, good morning. How are you? Very well. What's your name? You have to teach me how to say it properly. Tiwundezwa. Tiwundezwa. Tun. Tundezwa. Tundezwa.
Yeah.
Powerful name. What does it mean? What does it mean? Tundezwa.
A person want to do something
You keep trying?
Yes.
Aha. Never stop, you try.
Yes.
That's a powerful name. I knew it was a powerful name. I saw it. That sister has got a powerful name. Yeah. Her name is Adisa. Yeah.
Yeah.
One who makes his meanings or her clear, making your meanings clear when you yes, express yourself and speak. Yes, yeah. Oh, it's a joy to meet you. Thank you. It's a joy to be in your country. Thank you. Yeah. You take care. All right. Crazy. This is a crazy bus.
Yeah.
Crazy people on this bus.
Crazy people. Only crazy people only.
So we've arrived in Kalisha. We go to Kalisha Cycles now.
Yeah, you guys are cool. You guys are cool.
Nice, man. Nice setup. Nice setup.
And as Coach mentioned, I recently matriculated last year and I'm working here. I was busy with recruitments. As you can see, we've got our second court there. That's my work and as well as like the team's work as well to actually recruit as many grade 8s as we could. And as you can see, this is actually our space where they come here and do most of the things that we when you try to sneak into work late.
Angels of the road, angels of the road. I'm gonna call you road angels. Okay, we're gonna get our bikes, well, bags first, helmets, shoes, and then we're gonna hit the road and go to BUBR Cycles. My sister, how are you enjoying today?
Yeah,
Tell
good,
us about
thanks.
today. What happened today so far? This morning?
Well, we have met ladies from the Caliche Cycling Academy.
Yeah.
And their stories were really moving, really impressive. It's really inspirational as well. Really proud of what they've done and you know obstacles that they have overcome, and fantastic news that you know some of them are going to be going to Spain, you know, training with professional cyclists and also you know gravel racing and God willing going to Rwanda as well for the UCI Championships. Wish them all the best and I look forward to cycling with them because I know they're going to have to like, push me along.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Is this where we were?
Thank you. Yes, King, day one.
Yes, yes. This is just us riding to where I believe we're going to have lunch. Just a bit of a warm-up, but just taking it all in.
Sure. So strong, too strong, too strong. Hey. So we've arrived at the BUBR Cycles to present country, to present the funds we've raised in the fundraising. The energy is building.
Welcome to for Last Cycling Academy's center.
Everyone come in.
So we operate out of these 2 containers that were donated to us by trying to set up the center program.
Chocolate croissants, look at that. I know it was short. We all know it was short.
Fun. It was lovely, picturesque, everything you want from a short ride.
All right, good. And my man, you're not happy. You have your vex.
Yeah. Some more, man.
Yeah. Just warming up. Is it? Look, no sweat. Not even a bead of sweat.
Oh, it was outstanding. A lot of wind.
Yeah.
A really good ride.
You enjoyed the ride.
Oh, I loved it.
That's what I like to hear. People enjoyed the ride.
100%.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you for your leadership. Thank you very much. So we've made it to the end of route number 1. It's a short one. It's probably about 24 miles. I'm not picking my nose. I'm just sniffing. And we're by the coast. GB stands for something Bay. I've forgotten what it is, but I'll come back on that. Well, round of applause, Whoa.
That was a close one.
Welcome.
Hello.
You have a good ride?
Yeah, it was really good, thank you. So,
they're grumbling. They want more. They want more ride.
Well, we're doing a new thing.
We're
gonna go up there.
I thought it was 70, like something.
It changed.
So, update. People are not happy. Everyone's happy. Some people want to ride more. So we're gonna go up a little hill over there. Just assembling, we'll go for a little 20k extra on top of the ride. Some people are a sucker for pain, including me. To abandon the climb because of a rock slide. So we're going back to the hotel.